Hello. In this video, we'll take you through the process of importing invoices using Fidesic's multi-entity management integration with binary streams MEM. So to start, you'll use the same process that you usually use with our Fidesic import by going to batches. Because we have MEM set up, we'll need you to pick your entity. In most cases, it's best to simply enter your corporate entity here. You'll then need a batch ID name. Feel free to name this whatever you would like. Select payables transaction entry as your origin, and then you'll be able to initiate the import into GP using get Fidesic vouchers. From here, you'll be asked to log into the system using your login that you normally use to access. If you don't have this, contact support. They'll get you set up. Once you've logged in, you'll get a preview of invoices you're about to report. We'll import the MEM transactions that I have here. Simply click import and we will pull those across. At this point, this is where things act a little bit differently than our standard Fidesic module. As we see that there are no transactions within this batch. This batch was simply used to create other batches, as we need a batch per company entity within MEM. So if we clear this out, we'll remember our batch ID name is Fidesic02. We'll look up our new batch. So we have two batches created, one for each of the entities that were included in that import, which is our corporate entity and our 01 entity here. So if we pull up that transaction, we'll actually be able to see that the 01 entity transaction that was in the import has been imported into its own batch, so you can process it separately. The same holds true for the transaction that was for the corporate entity. You'll be able to see that transaction in its own batch specific to the entity as well. So basically, you can create a import batch just for your corporate entity, and then Fidesic system is intelligent enough to split those invoices that are imported across into the batches and their associated entities. If you have any questions, issues, feel free to contact Fidesic support and they'll be happy to help you out.